everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to make neon text in Picsart. Creating a neon text in Picsart is a fun way to add a glowing, vibrant effect to your images. And here is how you can do it. First of all, tap open the Picsart application on your mobile device. Tap the See All or the plus icon at the top left and then go ahead and select an image you would like to edit first. After you select an image or import an image on your editing page, go ahead and click on the text option at the bottom. Now, type in the text you want to turn into neon. After typing in the text, click on the tick mark at the top right and you can now adjust the size of your text by moving in the arrow on the screen. You will then be presented with a list of fonts at the bottom. Select your font type you would like to add for your project. For making neon text, you can use bold font effects since these works best for neon text. Now, the next thing you want to do is to color your text. Go to the color option at the bottom and tap on it. Select the color for making your neon text. You can choose colors like white, pink, or neon blue for your text. After picking a color for yourself, select the stroke button from the bottom and choose your stroke color and increase the little white dot to outline your text. This will adjust the thickness of the stroke to your liking. Now after you are done with it, you can go back and get to the main screen from where you will need to tap on. Now after saving your text stroke, get back to this first interface where you need to select effects at the bottom. Under effect, look for option where it says glitch and tap on it. Soon after you select glitch, you will then be able to give a similar neon-like effect to your text. Tap on glitch one more time and select the color if you want to change it to something else again. And then move the slider in order to adjust the intensity of the effect or to enhance the neon glow. Finally, after you are done, click on apply at the top right corner and you will be able to generate neon text in Picsart. Now you can easily save your image to your gallery or share it on social media platforms according to your preference. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.